North.
The U.S. stopped our
Can you
north.
grab that
The
crate
US
ski?
stopped our north. It's on the hill.
Dude, we
Ski, I'm gonna smoke you out of there.
Oh fuck. US is coming back in.
Heads up, Ski. Another vehicle, another vehicle.
God damn, this area is hot.
Another vehicle.
There are 3 people in that house, southeast.
Fucking hell!
They got out.
I was trying to med and it wouldn't cancel. So they rolled up on me and it wouldn't cancel the med. It's just a car. It's just a car.
2
It's
kills?
nothing worth anything.
Ugh. Dude, this area is heavily contested. Jesus Christ.
Ace, check the hill.
scared,
Chozo,
man.
we need...
North.
North of me? Oh,
See the
no.
U.S.? There was 2 guys up there.
Oh shit, yeah, I see a guy moving around. There's a bike in a US, yeah.
I'm scared, man. I'm scared.
Chozo, we got a bad, this is bad. We need to go like southwest.
I would say we should loot those guys because there's like 8 dead bodies over there. Oh, push it, I
Fuck.
dare you.
Yep.
Oh, he's pushing it.
Jesus Christ. We still have those guys
There's
southwest,
still shots
southeast
north,
of us.
Think I should push that rock?
There's so many bodies
See him
there.
Chozo to your west, 285.
Yep, that's it. Yep.
He's probably...
Oh, someone else is pushing it. So many people are pushing for a fucking car.
But they don't know that.
I know. Oh my
I'm
god.
going for their loot though.
I'm in a bombing run.
I
Ow.
pulled out those guys up the hill to the north, Chozo. And then U.S. They're gonna see you from there. You gotta get on the other side of the crate.
I'm trying to keep the southeast guys suppressed for you, man.
Much
They're shooting at
obliged.
someone else, Ace. They're shooting at someone. They're shooting at someone to your north.
Okay, cool. I'll let them do that then. I don't have eyes on the guys that are northwest, dude, so I can't really protect you from them.
That's fine. I'm in cover.
Nope.
Is that you
There's
shooting?
2 guys behind you. There's still guys up by that U.S. They shot at Chozo when he hopped on the bike.
Jeez.
Yep.
Over here? Yeah. I'm running low on ammo. I only got 100 rounds.
I got you covered. Don't you worry about a thing.
Holy fuck, dude. So many
How
people
many
have
kills
died
did you
in this
guys get
spot.
right there?
I wish I was recording.
We need to move. Oh my
I
god, we
I
need
just
to
got
move.
a
Chozo's
lot.
got a bike. He's got a 3-seater. As soon as he's done looting, he'll come get you.
Alright.
Hey, you got a suppressed rifle. Why don't you shoot out the tires on that U.S.? I mean, don't want to tell you how to do your job or anything. I was just... Good work.
Shit's fucked now.
Chozo, you almost done? I had 4 X's and stuff.
Do we need to
I
go
got
20
He's
seconds?
on the bike.
Be careful. There's still guys in that house
Stop
southeast
here,
of us.
stop
Make
here.
sure that.
We're gonna dip southwest and go through the mountains.
Contact northwest. They're
Close.
moving. They're moving into the Dacia.
Oh my god.
The Dacia's about to explode. Shoot the Dacia.
He's knocked out one of them. You gotta go. You gotta
Oh!
go for one. You gotta go.
Nice.
All right, let's go. Fuck their
Good
day up.
stuff.
Ace, how many kills do you have?
I only have 4.
Wow.
Same here.
I've gotten
Yeah,
a
you
shitload
done
of
a lot of
hits,
damage.
but they stole a lot of my kills.